guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the LEBRON Witness 7. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just wanted to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the LEBRON Witness 7 in the Hyper Royal black colorway. We got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US men's 8.5. And just before we open the box, just want to show this dope LeBron James box. Got a crown logo. Can kindly faintly see, don't know if the lion is going to get it on the camera right now, but you can see the lion right there. And strive for greatness, which, you know, LeBron does. He does strive for greatness, and I guess why this is called the Witness is because you're witnessing greatness unfold in front of you at a basketball court. And here they are. So these Witness 7s are obviously the newer model from the Witness 6, which is again like the Air Soldiers, the Zoom Air Soldiers that LeBron wore. LeBron actually wore Zoom Soldiers when he won the 2016 championship ring. He did not wear a LeBron model. So maybe he does prefer wearing the takedown models from his line, because right now we have the LeBron 20, which, to be fair, it is arguably the best basketball sneaker in regards to performance of this year. But if consistency shows that the takedown models that LeBron has done, they're just as good. And guys, you don't want to be paying like £200, $200 for the real deal. It's tough for some people. They can't afford to get real, well, not real LeBrons, but to get the LeBron signature lines. So the takedown models are just as good. I wouldn't say better, because we would actually need a pair of the 20s to review. So if anyone from Nike is watching, and we know that you are, if you want to let us review a pair of the LeBron 20s, we're always welcome. Anyway, we got a pair of the Witness 7s. Honestly, guys, just as good and just bright and beautiful. So we're just going to go into all the detailing right now for you. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, multi-directional traction patterning. It's all in this herringbone pattern for you, all there, and it's nice orange. I love the colors, so we'll take it up to the upper. You got a very large air unit right there. It's actually 3-4 units being used from the heel to the front, so you can see it all there for you. The midsole unit is a foam. Can't tell it's polyurethane at the minute, but it is all man-made right there for you. From what we've been told, that it takes a lot of wears to get softening the blows of the cushioning support. And just above it, you can see this translucent, well, it's not translucent, you'd think that this is glow in the dark plastic, but it's not. But you got the Air logo subtly there, the Nike swoosh above it as well, and the whole upper of the sneaker is essentially a mesh. It's all padded all around. It looks sleek when you look at it from the side view, but from the top down, it's very wide. I guess it is a proper basketball sneaker, this. One thing I would say is that if you are using this for basketball, the fact that this is essentially just a sock liner, I'm not a big fan of that. I'd like kind of a reinforcement on my toes, so it might just pop out. You never know how hard you're going in the paint, but that's just how I play. But we can all see it right here for you. Now the colorway is just this Hyper Royal, so it's there right for all for you in this baby blue. You can kind of see the dark, well, you can see the dark blue interweaves all there for you. Pink right there as well at the medial and the lateral side. At the medial side, it says what season it is. So Witness 7, Holiday 22, and this is a performance basketball shoe. Again, it is cheaper than the LeBron, as I mentioned before. You got the pull tabs at the heel, and just finishing the detailing, you got the lion head there for you. At the toe box, I forgot to mention, you got the crown LeBron logo, and normal lacing system, all covered by the hoops, and it's flat laces, very thick and soft. Tongue obviously is there to support it. Essentially, it is a sock liner because it's that one material, and very nicely padded ankle support there for you. Unfortunately, if you look at the insole, it's just a normal foam insole in the black. There's no patterning there. There's no branding, which is such a shame because LeBron has so many logos that Nike could have used. All that said, I'm really excited to try these on because I've heard so many reviews in the past saying that the Witness 6 is a great sneaker, so hopefully the 7 is just as good. And guys, if you want to see us do some performance reviews, basketball, running, football, let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your feedback. And until then, let's witness me trying these on for you. So roll that footage of me trying to witness 7s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size Nike fit. This UK 7.5 is perfect for me. My toes are where they need to be. Obviously, as you saw, as me trying to put them on, it took a while, but that's what I want. You want that lockdown support when it comes to basketball sneakers. These are very comfortable on. You can feel the Air Max cushioning there for you. But if you want a more close to the court feel, this isn't it. If you're looking for that feel, personally I prefer cushioning when I play basketball. And guys, like we mentioned beforehand, if you want to see us do some performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz and on TikTok with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.